Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. Let me show you here. Here is the error, guys. Now I'm going to send message to someone. Here's audio message. Cannot send audio message at this time. If you want to send audio message to someone, it's showing here this type of error. So what you need to do is just simply close this page and you have to open settings, and now from here you have to locate for message option. Here it is, guys, and from here what you need to do is just simply turn off this one, and after 2 or 3 minutes just simply turn it on. And now from here what you need to do is just simply go back from here, and from here what you need to do is just simply tap on accessibility. Now from here just simply scroll it down, and then you have to locate for sound recognition, and make sure that if this toggle is turned off. If this toggle is turned on, just simply turn it off, and then go back and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, scroll it down. From here just simply tap on general. Now from here tap on software update, and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. So firstly you have to update your device to the latest version, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then you have to open settings. Now from here scroll it on, tap on general again. Now from here you have to scroll it on and just simply tap on date and time. So this is the main solution. So make sure that if both of these toggles is turned on. And after that what you need to do is just simply scroll it on and just simply tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, and from here you have to tap on reset your network setting. Here you have to put your passcode. Just simply tap on reset network setting to confirm the process. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory default. And after that you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it, guys, for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.